What's up, family? I have a November update regarding some Christmas checks that are about to come out. As you can see right here in this particular article, we learned that there are some IRS stimulus checks that have been approved to send out. And in addition to that, we have another state sending out $300 checks at the end of next week. And I have an update regarding some checks that were supposed to be delivered last week. And I just want to make sure that you knew about it and that the residents that live in that particular state have actually received your check already. So anyways, I have the details to share with you in just a moment. But before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel as well as hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's go ahead and start with the video. Starting off, I want to go ahead and talk about the state of Alabama, in which we just received word from the Alabama Department of Revenue, in which they have a 2023 rebate check that is about to come out for you residents. Anyways, this is called in Alabama's one-time tax rebate, and you may receive this one-time tax rebate in December. Yes, we are talking about these checks are expected to arrive next week. Did you hear me? Did you already know that December the 1st is next week? Yeah, I know time has been flying by very fast. But anyways, in order to qualify for this one-time tax rebate, taxpayers must have filed a 2021 individual income tax return, which Aldor received on or before October the 17th of last year. Non-residents, estates, or trusts, or anyone who has claimed a dependent during the 2021 tax year do not qualify for this one-time tax rebate. In addition, rebates will be issued starting on December the 1st. Like I said, December the 1st is next Friday. Wouldn't you know? But anyways, in regards to who is going to receive this, well, like I said, if you have filed your 2021 state individual income tax return by October of last year, you're going to be eligible for this. However, you will not receive a tax rebate if you fit any of the following four descriptions right here. You did not file your 2021 state income tax. You are a non-resident. You are an estate or a trust. You were claimed as a dependent during the 2021 tax season. So anyways, those are the four reasons as to why you are not eligible for this one-time tax rebate. But anyways, qualifying taxpayers, you do not need to take action in regards to claiming this one-time tax rebate. Tax rebates will be automatically issued to all qualifying taxpayers. That's because they already know your information and they already know whether or not they are going to send you one of these one-time rebates. But anyways, they will begin issuing these tax rebates starting on December the 1st by direct deposit or a paper check. Please allow time for your rebate to be received. So you already know whether or not you have filed your tax return and whether or not you received your refund using a direct deposit. If so, you're probably going to get your check on December the 1st. However, if you receive your tax refund from a mail check, you're probably going to receive this one the same way as well. So anyways, be mindful of that because it determines whether and when you're actually going to receive your one-time tax rebate. But anyways, the amount of the rebates is based on your 2021 tax year filing status. For single individuals, you could receive this tax rebate of $150, whether you're a single, head of family, or married filing separately. Or if you are married filing jointly, you are going to be receiving a tax rebate of $300. Yes, so like I said, $150 stimulus check, a $300 stimulus check for married people, married couples who filed jointly for 2021. That is the criteria in regards to receiving one of these rebate checks. So anyways, I hope that you live in this particular state. Hopefully you're going to be receiving one of these checks sometime next week. But anyways, this is a great time as Christmas season is finally kicking off. As of today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I forgot to tell you that at the beginning of this video. But anyways, those are just the checks for Alabama. But then we also have some information right here in this article, which is a little bit weird. I'll tell you about it in just a second. But anyways, it is titled IRS Stimulus Check for November. what you must do to get your payment. Now, just skipping through a little of the verbiage right here, it does say the distribution of these checks is expected to take place with 9 U.S. states confirming their participation in the Economic Impact Payments Program for the 4th round of stimulus checks in November of 2023. And allegedly, they are saying that each eligible taxpayer and their dependents could receive up to $3,284. However, as I read through this particular article, and I had to do a little bit of research because I ended up finding this particular sentence right here. It says that while the IRS has not specified the release date, submitting your taxes before July the 1st increases the likelihood of you receiving your reimbursement by November the 30th. So yeah, I believe this particular article is sort of pulling our leg, if you will. There have not been specific economic impact payments that have been approved that is being sent out as a 4th stimulus check. Nothing on a federal level and nothing for this many states, 9 states. Guys, this is absolutely false right here. But I believe that this particular article does give a little bit of good information because it does talk about, for those of you that never received your original stimulus checks or your economic impact payments, there may be still some time that you can contact the IRS to get those previous stimulus checks to be sent out to you. So anyways, like I said, it talked about 9 different states on here providing large amounts of economic impact payments or stimulus checks. But like I said, as I did a little bit of research, I couldn't find anything outside of this article that is talking about 9 states sending out an IRS stimulus check. So I do want to go ahead and apologize to you for this particular website that is putting this information out there. But like I said, we hope that more states will consider sending out some type of Christmas check, if you will, or at least a 4th stimulus check. But as far as right now goes, nothing by the government has been issued, and nothing appears that it is going to be available for multiple states out there. Now, the previous one that we just talked about for Alabama, that is real. But this particular article, we'll just have to do a little bit more research and see what we can find. But right now, I could not find anything in regards to 9 other states receiving more stimulus checks. And then last but not least, I do want to go ahead and talk to you about some older Arizona stimulus checks. Now, be mindful, these actually were supposed to come out last week around the November 15th time frame, and I failed to mention it on this particular channel, but I do want to go ahead and still bring it up because just in case some people that live in Arizona never even received theirs. But as you can see right here, that new Arizona families are receiving some tax rebates up to $750, and more than 740,000 families will soon receive a one-time tax rebate for up to 3 dependents. Anyways, like I said, these particular rebates actually went out last week on November the 15th, and I just wanted to make sure that for those of you that live in Arizona, that you, for number one, you were aware of these going out to families depending on how many children you have, and then secondly, to make sure that you actually received yours. So therefore, if you are still waiting to receive yours, just know that those checks are probably still going out right now, and you might want to go ahead and contact your local authorities in regards to this particular rebate checks to find out whether or not you were actually eligible to receive one, and to make sure that they have actually have the correct address on file or the direct deposit information so that you can receive your rebate check. But anyways, I just want to bring that up to you because I'm sure someone out there didn't even know that this was available, and I'm sure a lot of people are still waiting to receive these rebate checks because, like I said, 740,000 families. That means 740,000 checks. That is a lot of checks. Now, granted, some of them are going to be going out electronically using the direct deposit method, but still there are other methods using the paper check being sent out in the mail. Hopefully, you're going to receive that sometime this week or next week. It will definitely be a great Christmas gift, if you will. So anyways, if you have already received yours, please comment down below and let me know so that I can know that some people are actually receiving those rebate checks. But anyways, anyways, that is all we have for you today in regards to the November stimulus checks or economic impact payments or Christmas checks. I love the sound of that, receiving Christmas checks. But anyways, that's all we have for you today. And I hope all this information in this video was helpful to you today. Well, anyways, that's all we have for you today, but feel free to check out some of the items down below in the description. There are a couple of opportunities for you to earn some free money or some free cash, such as signing up for the Amazon Prime membership, where you can get 30 days for free, which is a great time right now because Black Friday is around the corner. We are talking about in less than 48 hours. Also, don't forget about signing up for Rakuten, which is the #1 cashback website out there, where you can receive additional money on your online purchases as well as some in-store purchases. But anyways, the beauty about Rakuten right now is that they are doing a promotion, and if you sign up right now, they are going to give you an additional $40 bonus on top of your cash back after you use it for the first time. So be sure, do not sleep on this opportunity, because who doesn't like free money? You better not say you, right? But anyways, those are just a few, but be sure to check out all of them down below. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel, as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.